This is a 1970 Camaro. I bought it. The shop that's doing the build, try to buy it. I had a 1972 Camaro. It wasn't the one. I knew what the parts did because I used to sell them. 1989 stock Mustang GT 5.0. I didn't build it. I drove it. Over 20 wins, 3 losses, 18 months. 1 loss against a 66 Mustang 351 Windsor tunnel ram 1 carb, going from second to third, put it in first and almost let the clutch out and almost flipped. I started riding motorcycles. I didn't stop for 30 years. I still have my leathers, 2 of them. One's got Willow springs in the seams. The other one's never been on track. I bought it for a season that never happened, but I kept it. I changed Pirelli race tires at Willow Springs and Laguna Seca. 2 years. World Superbike-level. I won by over half a track. Half of track on a road course. That's not a win. That's a gap. Then a 2019 ZL1. 650 horsepower. Supercharged. Factory fast. LV Classic Rods put an offer in on this car before I bought it. They didn't get it. Now they're building it. Classic body, modern heart, LSA. That gets its own episode. Walking into the shop that wanted my car, asking them why. That's where this build starts. Not with a perfect car, with an honest one. If you want to follow the work, subscribe.